Hey guys, welcome to my version of Vlogmas. I know traditionally you're supposed to vlog and upload every single day for the month of December. I don't think I can quite commit to that with a 4-month-old baby, but I'm really getting into the festive mood and I think I'm going to try and vlog at least some days every single week and upload a Vlogmas video every single week. So I'm really excited about that. I've really been enjoying doing these casual, more candid videos where I can just chat to you guys really casually on the go. I still love doing the sit down videos for certain topics, but for the most part, especially with my new lifestyle as a mom, I've really been enjoying these on the go casual videos. So I'm really excited to do my version of Vlogmas this year. So today is the 4th of December. It is about 10:30 a.m. Baby C is down for her first nap of the day. I just quickly did some housework. Once Baby C wakes up from her nap, I'm gonna feed her and I'm catching up with a friend today over lunch, which is gonna be really wonderful. It is the same friend who let me unbox her Dior wallet on chain bag a few months ago. She's going overseas at the end of this week, so it's gonna be really nice to catch up with her before she goes because she'll be away for about a month or so. We're just going to do something low-key, something pretty local. So that is a main plan of the day. As you can see in the background, we finally put up our Christmas tree. It is exactly the same tree that we had last year with the same ornaments. I didn't buy anything new. So let me quickly show you the tree. So it just had to be squashed into that little corner. We still have that console. I am going to clean up all of the cards and gifts for Baby C later today because now we've got the tree up. The space just looks way too cluttered. So that is our sofa there. Luckily, the tree actually still fit. But anyway, this is our tree. We still need to find a piece for the top of the tree. So I will do that sometime this week as well. So I still love our ornaments from last year. And then I've already received some Christmas gifts, so I left them down there. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I just love Dior's Christmas packaging. So that is our Christmas tree squashed into that corner. Just making myself a coffee. I cannot start the day without a coffee, even though I'm still on decaf, since I'm still breastfeeding. But this is the best decaf capsule ever. It tastes so good. It tastes just like the coffee that you buy from the cafe, the barista coffee. Although it is already 10:30 a.m., this is the start of my day. So let me make myself a coffee, sit down and relax for about half an hour before Baby C wakes up and I have to go out. I was just writing down all of the things that I have planned for December, and this is going to be the most social month since having Baby C, so I'm actually really excited. I've got lots of brunch catch-ups with friends. I'm also going out with my bestie for our birthday celebrations in a couple of weeks. Her and I have birthdays that are only like 2 weeks apart, so we always go out in between our birthdays just to hang out for the whole day. This year's a bit different because I have a baby. I'm gonna see if hubby can mind the baby, but if he has stuff that he needs to do that day, because it's been really busy for him in December as well, I might just have to take Baby C along with us, which my bestie doesn't mind at all. She loves her. She's gonna be the favorite auntie. Since I don't have a sister, I've only got a brother, so my bestie has to be Baby C's favorite auntie. It's just a given. And we also have our work Christmas party for hubby's practice. We're going to Encore at the Crown with all of our staff members, and it's going to be one beautiful lunch, so I'm going to take you guys along there as well. If you guys aren't from Sydney or if you're not familiar, it is a restaurant run by Claire Smith. We've been there a couple of times. It's actually pretty hard to get a booking there, but we did manage to get a booking. But that will probably be in my next week's vlog in terms of how the days are going to split up. So yeah, I'm really excited for December actually, now that I'm writing all of my commitments down. So I just finished up at lunch with my friend. We're supposed to vlog at lunch because it was delicious, but it was just so noisy and crowded at the restaurant that we just enjoyed the food, caught up. It was lovely. Anyway, before I head home, I am gonna do a little bit of shopping. So I'm heading to Uniqlo now to get some baby stuff. We've really been enjoying let me show you. Really been enjoying these onesies from Uniqlo. This was only $9.90 and it's just been the most incredible material and very comfortable for Baby C. So I'm gonna grab some more of these and then I'm gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping and head home. Christmas range before I head home. So I need to pick up a Christmas gift for someone. These must be the limited edition Christmas range. I quite like the scent of this one. Just got back home. I only got to do a little bit of the Christmas gift shopping, but we still have some time until Christmas, so I'm not going to pressure myself too much. I'm going to put this gift that my friend gave me under the tree. I am really excited to open this on Christmas Day, but anyway, we're getting some more goodies under the tree, so let me just pop it down. It's 4:30 in the afternoon now, so I'm going to clean up the console table quickly and then I'm going to get dinner going. I'm still on my weight loss journey, so I'm trying to cook as healthy as possible these days. So I'll show you what we eat for dinner. I have to be especially good today because I did have a big lunch, so I'm gonna be very, very good for dinner tonight. The place is back to how it kind of looked before, baby, so it's all clean again. At least this corner looks decent. Baby, she woke up from a nap. She was smiling and now she knows the camera's on. She doesn't want to smile. Hi, Apara. I started to prepare dinner, so we are actually gonna have hot pot in the Korean style. We call it shabu shabu. I think that's actually Japanese, but I'm gonna do it like the Korean way. So I'm gonna prepare the broth first. The reason I really like shabu shabu is because you get to eat a lot of vegetables and you basically just put in the broth what you want. So I'm gonna cut up a whole lot of vegetables and just have it with lean meat and call it dinner. So I just wanted to quickly show you what I put in to make my broth. So I've just got some water, a piece of radish, half an onion, and some shallots in there. Well, baby C's playing with dad. Anyway, so I'm just gonna bring this to the boil and put a couple other things after that. Now the water is boiling, I'm gonna put 2 more things in. I'm gonna put 2 of these anchovy tea bags. I'm also gonna put a tablespoon of this Japanese soup base. I think a lot of people use this for soba. So yeah, this combination has been really great. So this is 1 tea bag. So convenient. And these tea bags you're supposed to take out after 5 minutes. I think this is actually called zuyu. 1 spoon. Now let it boil for another 5 minutes. Take out the tea bags and that's my broth done. This is our hot pot. So that is the broth. Got rid of all the bits and pieces, so just the broth now. Some lean meat, beef, and I'm just doing these vegetables. Look how much vegetables you can eat. I definitely can't eat this much vegetables by eating salad, and this is not going to be filling enough for hubby, so I've given him some leftover bibimbap from last night, so we had that for dinner last night. So yeah, that is our dinner and we're going to eat now. By the way, and this is the sauce that I'm going to dip all my stuff in. So I usually mix sriracha with this roasted sesame dressing, half and half, and I just dip my vegetables and things in a little bit of that sauce. It's delicious. Good morning guys, it is the next day. This tomato juice has been exactly how I've been starting my mornings for a little while now. I used to make green smoothies, but these days I've been really enjoying making just straight tomato juice. I'm just trying to eat more variety of vegetables every day. So yeah, at the moment, this is the simplest little thing that I've been eating kind of for breakfast. Hubby has a day off today, so I made 2 cups. So yeah, let's start the day. So I usually have my tomato juice while watching over baby C playing on a piano gym. She loves the thing and she's now really strong, grabbing onto all the little hanging toys. So I just sit here, have my breakfast or juice and basically just watch her play for a few minutes. She's already been fed, changed, and very comfortable. It'll be another half an hour or so before she goes down for her nap. So this is basically my morning routine these days. I am now driving to Pilates. I go twice a week, and today it happens so that my bestie is going on the same day as me. So she's about to finish her session. We go to the same Pilates place, and my session is in about an hour. So we decided we're going to use that interim time to catch up over coffee quickly. I feel like I haven't seen her in weeks. I probably saw her about 3 weeks ago. She came over with her hubby to see baby C, but it just feels like ages ago. It is definitely much harder to just catch up with your friends on a whim. I used to catch up with her a lot, like every single week. I mean, we are both usually busy. I used to work full time. I have this YouTube channel, and she's a really busy person as well. She has a lot of social commitments. So it was already kind of difficult for us to catch up on a regular basis, but we always made an effort to. But it is definitely so much harder now with the baby. But I am so excited to see her and catch up. Anyway, I am almost here, so I will talk to you guys soon. We did make it to coffee, and Bestie's trying on my sunnies, and I think she looks so great. What do you guys think? These are my gentle monsters. I reckon she needs a pair.
I definitely
That's
need
it.
a pair.
I think you need a pair.
Where do I get them from?
Leave it up to me. Doesn't she look pretty?
It's so nice, sweetie. I love the shade.
Yeah. They actually really suit you because your face is sort of like heart-shaped.
Yeah.
I think they suit you more than me. The color's great.
I love it. Can you try
Wow.
them? I want to see them on you.
Okay.
Don't you guys think that it looks better on my bestie?
No, it looks so nice on you
I think it suits so many face shapes, especially, well, a bit more rounded.
Yes,
we don't have like
true.
elongated faces.
Yeah. It's
And
very
they're comfortable
nice.
because you've got the nose pads.
Yeah, I need them.
Yeah.
They're very nice, sweetie. I love them.
Back to our ketchup.
Back to the ketchup. I just got back home. After Pilates, I came home to relax for a bit, and then we went out for an early dinner to a Korean restaurant. And now I wanted to show you guys some items that we picked up from Hermès last weekend. If you follow me on Instagram, you may already know that we went in to check the new eyeshadows out. And then I ended up picking some other pieces up, but I'm having second thoughts about them. So I may need your help deciding what I should do about them. So here we are. I picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes. These were the 2 color palettes that I thought might work really well for me. So let's open one of them first. This is the number 6. I've been meaning to go in to check out their eyeshadow palettes for the longest time, but just never got the chance until last weekend. Oh, it's actually quite small. So that is the first color palette I picked up. You have some gold, some browns, and a highlight color, and you've got this sort of brick brown color as well. And I believe these do come with a brush. That's what I've heard. So where do I find the brush? Oh, it's in the pouch. It's magnetic. The packaging is quite nice. Oh, so there is actually a little slot in the pouch for your brush. It's actually quite nice that it comes with an actual brush, not one of those spongy tips that you get with these palettes. So I am really excited to try this. I probably won't try it until this weekend because I don't normally wear makeup on a weekday, especially at the moment. I'm getting some allergies on my eyelids and that, so I've just been letting my face rest, which is why I look pretty barefaced at the moment. So that is the first one. And then the second one is the number 3. This is actually my favorite color. My eyes instantly were drawn to this palette. I think this will work really well for most warm-toned people. I am pretty warm-toned, my skin. So yeah, that is beautiful coral color with some shimmery highlights and some browns again. So pretty neutral with a little bit of that corally peachy color. So I'm really happy about those. Can't wait to try them. But what I need your opinions on is actually in here. So I do have several of these boxes. So let's open these up together and show you what we picked up. You guys may already know that we are pretty obsessed with the H Decor tableware collection from Hermès. We do have the teapot and the sort of coffee mug set already. So we wanted to add the dessert plate. At the moment, because we already have the mosaic collection, We didn't really want to go all out with the whole dinner collection or anything, but wanted to have like a complete tea set because the H Decor collection is a lot easier to use. You can chuck them in the dishwasher. They just look more casual as well. So we tend to use our H Decor tea time set a lot more. So we wanted to have matching dessert plates. But I noticed online that there is a different version of the dessert plates. So I noticed that there are actually two types of dessert plates for the H Decor collection. The other one looks like this. I'll insert a photo of that. So when I saw that one, I thought, oh, maybe that would have been my preference in terms of the design of the plate. But now I'm looking at these, I quite like how sleek this one is, so not sure. The other thing is, if we do end up going for the dinnerware set in the H Decor collection, this style would match a lot better with the dinner plates and the whole presentation plates. So maybe this is strategically a better, more versatile piece. So maybe we will keep this, but yeah, I mean, I can always go for an exchange if I do decide I like the other style better. So let me know what you think. That is basically what we got last weekend from Hermès. So yeah, 2 more boxes because there are 2 pieces in each box, and we wanted to have 6 pieces this time round because we have a dining table that has 6 chairs, so we wanted to have enough for at least 4 guests. Anyway, I might upload this Vlogmas episode 1 tomorrow, so I might just end this vlog here because today's almost done. I'm just gonna feed baby C and put her to bed, do some cardio again, go to the gym, come back, relax and sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.